Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through this title, which is can you transfer money directly from Apple Pay to Cash App? Many of you have been asking these questions. Well, this video is for you. Transferring money directly from Apple Pay to Cash App is not possible. What do we mean? There is no direct transfer, but you can use a workaround because Apple Pay and Cash App are two separate payment services that don't allow direct transfers between them. But if you transfer to bank account, that is from your Apple Pay linked card or account to your bank account, if the card or account allows it, then you add the funds to Cash App. It's as simple as that. Again, transfer to your bank account that is linked to your Apple Pay and then from that account to your Cash App. Now, here are the steps to take. Let me give you details. First, determine if your Apple Pay linked card or account allows transfers to your bank account. If it's possible, then initiate a transfer from Apple Pay to your bank account. Log into Cash App, navigate to Add Cash section and link your bank account. If not already linked, then add the funds from your bank account to Cash App. It's as simple as that. Here are some important considerations. 1. Transfer fees. There are definitely going to be transfer fees from Apple Pay or Cash App, and its processing time may vary depending on the platforms and your bank. So if you need to move funds between Apple Pay and Cash App using your bank account as an intermediary, might be possible or a viable workaround depending on your specific situation.